Billy is in his spaceship. First stop, the moon. Make a path to take the spaceship to the moon. Use the pieces to build the road. Help build. Mission accomplished! Great work! Moon landing complete! Ah! Great job! Congratulations! Great! Bird, rabbit. Look at the pictures and try to remember them. Rabbit. Great! You found the rabbit. Now there's one more. Cat. Look at the pictures to remember where they are. Bird. Come on, you can. Great! You found the bird. Now there's one more. Dog. Look at the pictures and try to remember them. Dog. Great! You found the dog. Welcome to Billy's spaceship. Star. Collect the letters to complete the word. S. You found a letter. Keep exploring. Try to follow the arrow. A. You found a letter. Keep exploring. Try to follow the arrow. T. You found a letter. Keep exploring. Try to follow the arrow. R. You found all the letters. Well done. You made the word star.
To continue, ask a grown-up for help.
Find all the secrets in the maze. You found a secret. Join the pieces. Rainbows are made by raindrops and sun. Rainbows have all the colors. Rainbows are made by raindrops and sunlight. Rainbows have all the colors you can see. You can even find double rainbows in the sky. Let's go to the exit door of the maze.
Would you like a photo, sir? Right, left, up, down. Yay! Up.
Rocket. It's a rocket. Rocket. This app enabled my 2- and 4-year-old kids to learn basic counting, reading, and writing skills in an easy and funny way. Lingo Kids has continued to evolve for our daughter and keeps her extremely engaged. It's basically digital school outside of school. We love it. Spark success with Lingo Kids Plus. Upgrade for full access to over 1,200 interactive activities that cover math, literacy, STEM, and so much more. We're at the dentist. Uh-oh, our friends' faces are all mixed up. Let's put them back together. Slide each row until they all match and find out how they feel. Angry. Cowie is angry. Sad. Ricky is sad. Good. happy. Great! You did it! See you soon! Hooray, buddy! You finished today's journey. Come back tomorrow for more exciting adventures.